In this video, I'm going to teach you how to level up Livestream on Poppo Live. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to your Google Play Store or App Store and make sure to install this. So this is actually a live stream platform wherein you can earn commissions. So according to this beginner's guide, in order to level up your live, what you can do is you can head over and then utilize the app itself in order to get live products. So with this, you can get some coins for the product and you need to meet the requirements first to go live. So there's actually a KYC for Fofo. We need to actually complete the face authentication, upload a live photo, and reach level 5, wherein you need to watch streams, chat, send small gifts, earn XP until level 5. So if you want to go live, what you can do is you need to be unique, specific, and engage with your customers or audience. You can talk to them, answer questions, give shout outs, or ask them what they want to see. You need to also choose a niche to level up your live stream and make sure that people will be able to party and send you gifts in accordance to that as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.